welcome to another video, and in today's video I will be going over what kind of gear you need to start mountain biking. So let's jump right into it. So the first and most important thing that you need is a bike. You'll need a super fancy bike, especially if you're just starting out. The next item, which is probably just as important as the bike itself, is a helmet. Of all the protective gear, a helmet is probably the most important. Don't worry, in the mountain bike community, helmets are cool. And the next on the list are some knee and elbow pads. These pads aren't always necessary, especially if you're just driving down the road. But if you're on trails, these pads definitely are recommended. I can't even tell you how many times these pads have saved me. This item is also really important, and it's water. If you're riding, odds are you will get thirsty. Some people use hydration packs, or you could just use a water bottle. They're both fine. And the last mountain bike essential is a set of tools. A common set of tools you should have handy around the garage are some Allen wrenches, a shock pump, maybe a few screwdrivers, and most importantly, zip ties. Zip ties are the most handy and useful things. There's just really so much things you can do with them. And that's all. I really hope you guys enjoyed and that this video helped you out. See you guys in the next one.